In this video, I will show you how to make money trading meme coins on Solana with Autosnipe, a brand new trading platform with some incredible features. Autosnipe's clean design makes it easy to navigate around, and there's no need to sign in with your email or personal information. Just log in at the top right with your Solana wallet, and connect to the platform. In my case, I used my Phantom wallet to sign up. The first link on the main page is the Pump Fund trading pairs. You can filter pairs by their market cap, transactions, liquidity, just like with all other exchanges, but before you start trading, I recommend you to place the Hide Rug slider to the right. This will remove most of the scam coins, however this doesn't guarantee that all the listed coins here will be 100% safe. Every smart contract is different, and there's no way to know which ones are scams. There's also an instant buy option. At the top of the page you can see your biggest wins. I have been doing pretty well lately, but take it from me, you will see some losses too. Meme coin trading is risky, so do your research before you invest any money, and remember that you alone are responsible for your actions. You may also want to change the filter settings. I recommend checking the first 6 boxes, so you will only see coins that have passed some important security checks. The meme coin market is flooded with scammers, and you don't want to trade their coins. You can also change the settings. I prefer a 15% slippage, the priority fee is AI optimized, the smart MEF protection is enabled, and the bribery amount is 0.1 Sol. If you want to customize your quick buy buttons, you can do that here too. On the holdings page, you can overview all your trades and you can hide your sold tokens to keep it clean. Autosnipe has an affiliate program where you can earn money if you sign up people with your link, and there's also an API trading option for the more advanced traders. On the right side, you can place market or limit orders, check out the history, and in the advanced settings, you can adjust the slippage, disable the smart MEF protection, and change the bribery amount and priority fee. Below is the data and security box. If a meme coin gets marked as suspicious, a warning message will pop up here, so that's a sign to stay away from the coin. At the top, you also see the Radium and Moonshot pairs. But what I love about Autosnipe is the Hyperspeed Sniper feature, which uses artificial intelligence to detect and trade trending meme coins, allowing you to earn money, even when you're away from your computer or mobile. With flexible controls, you can configure settings such as stop-loss levels, priority fees, and profit-taking points. There are different sniper bots to pick from, depending on your risk level. The low-risk new tokens and the top 24-hour trending coin sniper are great for beginners, while the other two have higher risk. Take a few minutes to check out all the options. To activate the sniper, click on the Activate button, and fill in your details. If you're just starting, I recommend investing 1 Solana and putting in 0.1 Sol per order. This will instruct the sniper to trade 10 different pairs. I keep the expiry to never, and the priority fee to AI optimized. The exit strategy works simple. You can set your sell and profit percentages here. You can, for example, sell 50% of your coins at 100% profit, 25% at 150 profit, and the last 25% at 200 profit. Remember that your total amount must be 100%, or an error message will pop up and ask you to complete the steps. To delete an option, just click on the cross next to the form field. If you click on the Activate Now button, your sniper will start trading for you, following your instructions. Another interesting option is Autosnipe's copy trading feature, where you can automatically replicate the buy and sell orders of top-performing traders by simply pasting the address of the account you want to follow. If you're curious to explore the Autosnipe platform for trading meme coins on Solana, feel free to use the link in the description below and you'll get a 10% discount on all your trading fees. Let me know your own experiences in the comments, and leave a like and subscribe to my channel to get notified when I post a new video. Have a great day.